नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं, सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया, चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं, सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया, चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। ये संसार है कर्म की खेती, जो बोए वही पाए, जो बोए वही पाए। ये संसार है कर्म की खेती, जो बोए वही पाए, जो बोए वही पाए। प्रेम प्यार से सींच ले जीवन, ये अवसर फिर ना आए, ये अवसर फिर ना आए। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं, सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया, चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। लिरिक्स। ओके। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, कहाँ से आया कहाँ मुझे जाना, ये भी ना मैं जान सका, ये भी ना मैं जान सका। क्या है रूप क्या है सेहरा, तुझको ना पहचान सका, तुझको ना पहचान सका। शरण लगा ले मुझको मैया, शरण लगा ले मुझको मैया, मैं बालक नादान तेरा, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं, सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया, चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। You're all blessed that the divine grace of the Mother is present in your lives, in your minds, in your hearts. You are blessed. You are living your life as the manifestation of this divine grace of love, compassion, beauty, truth, joy, enthusiasm, greatness, creativity. Blessed. You are blessed. You are that. Be that and live that. So, wonderful. How is everyone? Apart from blessed. We are all blessed. Indeed. So, this mystery called life, this challenge called life, ये हर रोज हमें चुनौतियां देती है, हर रोज हमें कुछ ना कुछ बताती है, कुछ ना कुछ सिखाती है. And I wonder what is this mystery? So many things which make us question the nature of life, the nature of reality. In fact, it makes us question even human nature itself. One of the most popular shows on Netflix these days is something called The Squid Game. Okay, so why is this? I don't know if by now most of us have heard of this Squid Game, because it is not just the most popular show or streaming serial on Netflix. It is historically the most popular serial ever in terms of viewership in such a short time. Ever. Okay, there's maybe one more show that has had more viewership than this one ever on any channel, not just Netflix. So if you've not heard about it, the Squid Game is about a bunch of ordinary people who play a game, ordinary people who are challenged by life, and life has thrown multiple misfortunes at them. They are all in great debt. They're all in desperate situations. And they are invited to play a game. And if they win the game, if they play the game right, then they will win, millions of whatever. It's a Korean game, so millions in the Korean currency, but it's enough to wipe out their debts and make them very rich. But the flip side is that if you lose, you die. Okay, so and the game is these are all very simple games, childlike games, games that you've played in your childhood. These are not complicated games, not like say Kaun Banega Crorepati or Survival or Jeopardy, or where you need a lot of knowledge or skills. It's very simple games, like we've all played in our childhood. Maybe something to do with drawing a shape, or singing a nursery while rhyme while you're drawing a shape, or things like that. We have the Arko, Darko, Dai, Daduko, simple, childlike games. So somehow it is this juxtaposition of childlike innocence along with the dangers or the misfortunes of life. And the third dimension is the threat of dying if you lose. So somehow this juxtaposition is very, very interesting to everyone, and and makes us wonder about human nature. What do we really like? I mean, what is so attractive about this juxtaposition of innocence and danger? Um, or There is also an experiment called Universe 25, where they take a bunch of this is apparently this experiment has been repeated many times, that when you take a this experiment is done with a bunch of rats, and rats and humans, like, believe it or not and like it or not, share nearly 90% of the genetic code. We share 98 point something percent of our genes are exactly the same as what a rat has. Okay, while we study rats, it's not just out of convenience and the small size, but also because they are very close to human beings in terms of their genetic makeup. It may be even more than 98%. I think if somebody can Google it, it put the exact number. So here you have a bunch of rats which they put into an experiment, and they study, and they put them in a condition where food is plenty. There's plenty of food. It's a beautiful environment, and they put two rats into this thing. And because there's plenty of food and plenty of light and everything is in abundance, they start to have children, and then the colony starts to grow and survive and thrive and flourish and so on. And before long, something called the wild ones start to emerge in the rat pack, which simply want to destroy other rats. And even though there is food, cannibalism and things like that start emerging as behavior within the rat colony. So rather than eating the normal food, they want to kill each other and eat each other and so on and so on. It's a very gory outcome. And eventually, other kinds of behaviors start creeping in, and and uh, and the they want less and less of having children. They don't want to have any offspring, and slowly, weaker and very few children are born, and eventually the colony becomes extremely toxic. And apparently, this experiment has been repeated multiple times. And this is the same outcome every single time. There is abundance of food and everything is wonderful. And so, apparently, challenge and negative presence of negative energies is very important for us to survive as a race. And that is what keeps us going. But it makes us wonder about reality, makes us wonder about what are we really like. Um, you know, for an example, even just from my own experience, just the other day, yesterday, I came across a little kitten outside of our gymkhana. I was walking out of my tennis game. Small little kitten, maybe just maybe a couple of weeks old. Tiny, weak, emaciated, and of course, I wanted to take care of it, and I wanted to see that it is safe. I looked around for the mother, could not find the mother, and there were some other cats, and I was hesitant to bring this kitten to those cats because even though they were female, if they were not the mother, there's a possibility they might actually attack the kitten, and it would be even worse off. And the kitten was a little bit injured. It had a little bit of injury, and we have rescued Harsha and I, especially Harsha. We've rescued many kittens and brought them home and nursed them to health and then taken care of them and then eventually had them adopted by somebody or the other or found some way of for there to survive. But yesterday, I just, I was thinking, oh my God, I travel so much and I don't know when I'll go back to the US. And every time you bring in a kitten, there's always a lot of rigmarole in terms of what you have to do and all that. And so I told the security guard over there, I said, listen, just I'll give you a little money, but you please take care of this kitten and make sure you give it diluted milk, just very diluted milk, because pure milk the kitten cannot digest. So I did that arrangement. But I did not actually ever pick up the kitten. I did not actually ever really, give it a little bit of love, and I certainly did not bring it home. So, while we talk about compassion and talk about, taking care of the world and being in love and bringing that to this and all that, I was not able to live up to my own standard of what I would consider compassionate behavior in that moment. I mean, practical things came in the way, and I said, okay, I'm going to take care of it, but I'm not going to really, allow myself to go all out. So this and the Squid Game and the Universe 25 experiment with rats, and I really, had this question going around in my head for a few days. What are we really like, at the end of the day? What is human nature like? What makes us up? I mean, maybe deep down we are divine and we are made of divine, but what is human nature? Are we as human beings really going to transform? Are we really, we are thrown by life with so much confusion, so much mystery, so many questions. And so I was going through a little bit of what you might call an existential crisis the last couple of days. And so anyway, I want to hear what people think about what I just said. I mean, fortunately, I did, this thing, I found a resolution, but I will share that as we go today. But what do people think about this? Are we as human beings really, in this form, are we even a decent experiment in lovingness, in truth, in beauty, in creativity, in joyousness? Or are we really, what is this? What is this mystery? What is the universe trying to tell us? Or what is our place in this whole scheme of things? I know it's a very deep question. I don't know. There are no answers, of course, but just what are your thoughts? What comes to your mind when faced with this?
Yeah.
We've had people who have been we have had Jesus Christ and Gautam Buddhas, and we've had so many great teachers, and yet the world continues to be full of unexplainable crimes, unexplainable behaviors, and so on and so on. So what is our response other than being really desperate and giving up? What is a good response? Go ahead, Purushottamji.
Actually, it is a very nice question. Not that we don't have compassionate thoughts or loving thoughts, but at times we are very security. What I feel is very much security based and very much calculative. All
Yeah,
the time, all the time using head more than heart. Our heart says one thing, and our head all the time is calculating.
right,
And when we hear of our heart, we find pleasure. And when we go with head, there is always a dilemma. I would have done this. I should have
right,
done this. Yes.
right, right, right.
So it is always going on.
Yes, yes, yes. It's a beautiful battle between the heart and the head. That is, one can describe life in those terms, actually, right? In terms of a struggle between the heart and the head. Wonderful, makes it interesting. And yeah, and every time the heart wins, there is an experience of joyousness, of celebration. Um, right, but the struggles, the suffering, I mean, this is one kitten in one corner of one street in Mumbai. I'm sure there are literally hundreds, thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, and not just kittens, but so many creatures in need of help, in need of in need of support. And what is our response to that? What is our response to this mystery called life? So, anyone else? Anything to share? I know there are a lot of deep feelers and deep thinkers amongst us.
So I feel, Sanjeev ji, that all of us are so caught up in our own race of getting this done and doing this and that we have stopped feeling and pausing, taking a pause and feeling. And we are more, the priority in life is more workability. So we give everything like what is working is like good, and if it's not working out in our own convenient cushiness and all that, we sort of avoid that and stop listening to our hearts. Maybe that is happening these days. Of course, with Corona, people have taken a pause, I feel now. But
Right. Sure, sure.
yeah, but I think that is the main thing, that the struggles in the human life itself is so much that they themselves are, the platter is so full of their own struggles that they don't want to take in a little more also.
Right, right. Wow, I don't know what is this echo happening, but anyway. But yeah, but what about these challenges? This life keeps throwing such curveballs, googlies, bumpers, bouncers. What do we say? What do we say to life? Say to this universe which throws all this, so much challenge at us. What do we say to these challenges? What is our response? See, one response is we kind of get sad, depressed, and give up, right? That's one response. We curl up and we say, Baba. But what
My
is
response is lage raho munna bhai. करते रहो जितना होता है उतना, बाकी का छोड़ो.
Baki ka chodo. Yeah,
जितना
yeah.
हो अपने से होता है उतना करो.
Right, right, right. Wonderful. Any other thoughts? What do we say to life, which is so
Actually, in a way, the universe is throwing the challenges is uh, in other way. The universe is giving us an opportunity to live our basic nature.
right? Beautiful, beautiful.
But
Very true.
we are not catching that, and we are missing the bus all the time, and
All
that
the
is the
time.
reason. And that is the reason one of our suffering. There is no pleasure in our life
Correct,
because
correct. Yeah,
we are running after the things which are temporary or which are not so pleasurable.
correct, correct, correct. Ultimately, yeah, we run after security and comfort rather than really looking at these challenges in the face and learning and growing from them. Because without those challenges, our halat will also be like that universe 25 rats. We will simply get into that state. हाँ प्रतिभा बहन बोलो.
हाँ, the લાઈફમાં જે સ્ટ્રગલ આવે છે, we have to accept and adjust. It is our part of the life to make us strong.
Yeah. Right. Right. Yep. We accept the struggles and we move on. Right.
So it's for our benefit to correct our life.
Wonderful. What else? Any other thoughts? Anyone?
We should continue with our beliefs, and we shouldn't alter them just because we are facing any challenge.
Sorry, say
If
that
the
again. The
beliefs
last
are
part
good,
broke up.
I said if the beliefs are good and noble, then we should continue with them. Like I have seen a lot of people lose faith in God just because they are like facing challenges. So whatever nice beliefs or nice karma we can do, we should continue with that, and yet we should face challenges head on.
Right. True. Yeah. We face the
Sir, this is
challenges head
Sonal
on.
here.
Yeah, Sonal, bolo.
So we forget that we are peaceful souls full of love. That's why we are
Correct.
suffering. And
Right.
in class we find the solution, but actually it doesn't happen.
Okay.
Real में challenges के सामने we don't have
that much strength to really, yeah,
that
to really face
we
them
keep
and to
forgetting.
keep forgetting.
We keep forgetting.
We keep forgetting who we really are and get caught up in what we are not.
Yeah. Even if
And-
we go head on or anything, that Insta meditation doesn't come immediately.
Right.
That's my experience.
Right. True. And yeah, it's going to take time and practice. No doubt about that. Just because we have or we understand the Insta meditation doesn't mean it happens instantly or immediately or permanently. We will keep on falling and keep on rising and keep on falling and keep on rising, and that's the name of the game. But one of the sort of the answer to all of this, one of the answer, when what do you look at the universe and what do we say to this universe, which is throwing such sometimes mean things at us? How do we respond to that? Inexplicable, mysterious. You can't even, wrap your mind around it. Extreme cases of suffering, extreme cases of violence, or extreme cases of so many unexplainable or desperate or depressing, sad events, things, people, and you don't understand, and you are left struggling in like a leaf in the wind thrown around. So so one response, of course, is silence. Is silence in in the face of all this. There is silence, because we really don't know the answers. We don't, as in this form, in this limited form of this limited consciousness, we don't know the answers. So one is the silence, but the other one is music. The other one is dance. Dance and music is sort of a defiance in the face of this injustice, for example, or this unfairness. Dance and music, when you are dancing in response to whatever challenge has come to you, it's sort of a defiance. ठीक है, since life is throwing me these curveballs, I am simply going to dance. I'm yet going to dance, and I yet sing, and I'm yet dancing, and and it is not a necessary a solution to the problem. It is not a resolution to the challenge, but you are telling the universe, ठीक है यार, तू भेज जो भेजना है मुझे, मैं तो गा रहा हूं, मैं गा रहा हूं, मैं नाच रहा हूं. And that is what Navratri is to me. Navratri, picking up the sticks or doing the garba, dancing with abandon for no reason, or actually not just for no reason, in spite of all the reasons to the contrary. All the reasons of life tell you, trying to squash you, trying to put you down and say, no, you're not good enough. And in spite of that, if we can get up and not just fight, but dance and sing, then the universe has no choice. The universe is left choiceless. When the challenges are bouncing off of you as the dancer of life, the dancer in life, those arrows that life throws just bounce off. Just bounce off because you are too busy dancing this mystery. And that is what Navratri is. Navratri is an opportunity to dance in life, through life, with the universe, with this mother. So ready to dance, guys, for Navratri?
To be happy.
Sorry?
I choose to be happy.
I choose to be happy. I choose to be happy. Choose to be happy. कांटों से खींच के आंचल, कांटों से खींच के आंचल, तोड़ के बंधन बांधे पायल, फूल ही फूल जिंदगी बहार है, तय कर लिया. That is the response. That is the best response. As in this form, the best response to these arrows that life throw at us, the best response is the dance and the music. So चलिए भैया, videos on, एक आध गरबा ही हो जाए on इसी बहाने, इसी बात पर. So videos on and put on your dancing shoes and let's tell the universe, ठीक है यार, तू जो फेंकना है फेंक मेरे पे, मैं तो हंस रहा हूं, मैं तो गा रहा हूं, मैं तो नाच रहा हूं. So सुनाई दे रहा है? चलो, off your chairs, up. Everyone, videos on and off the chair. चलिए. हे माँ, आओ तो रमवाने, गरबे घुमवाने, माड़ी मारे जो वाछे, तमने घूमता रे, गरबे घूमता रे, आओ तो रमवाने, गरबे घुमवाने.
घूमता रे, गरबे घूमता रे। ગબરની ગોખ માડી વાગે અસવાર છે, મોડું સુહામણું ને સોળે શંગાર છે। ગબરની ગોખ માડી વાગે અસવાર છે, મોડું સુહામણું ને સોળે શૃંગાર છે। હું તો જોઈને જોઈ હર ખાઉં રે માડી, જોઈને જોઈને હર ખાઉં રે। ચાચરના ચોક મારે, ગબરના ગોખ મારે। आओ तो रमवाने, गरबे घूमवाने। मारी मारे जोवा छे, तमने घूमता रे, गरबे घूमता रे। तारा विना श्याम मने एक लड़ू लागे, रास रमवाने भलो आवजे। तारा विना श्याम मने एक लड़ू लागे, रास रमवाने भलो आवजे। श्याम विना श्याम मने एक लड़ू लागे, रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे। रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे। गरबे घूमती गोपी, तारा विना श्याम मने एक लड़ू लागे, रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे। रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे। गरबे घूमती गोपियो, गरबे घूमती गोपियो। तारा विना श्याम मने एक लड़ू लागे, रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे हो। रास रमवाने वेलो आवजे। तलपुर मां पावो वाग्यो ने मारो, सोतो सोने लड़ो जाग्यो जवान लाल भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया, भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया। तलपुर मां पावो वाग्यो ने मारो, सोतो सोने लड़ो जाग्यो जवान लाल भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया, भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया। ईरे पावाना सुर सुर तक तारी माहेड़ जीवनो रे। ओ ईरे पावाना सुर सुर तक तारी माहेड़ जीवड़ो रे। કેટલાય ભાઈબંધની સાથે કેવડાવ્યો એને સંદેશો દે। હવે મનડું મૂંઝાવા લાગ્યું જવાન લાલ ભમ્મરિયા રે લાલ ભમ્મરિયા। તલપુર માં પાવો વાગ્યો ને મારો, સૂતો સોને લડો જાગ્યો જવાન લાલ ભમ્મરિયા રે લાલ ભમ્મરિયા, भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया, भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया, भम्मरिया रे लाल भम्मरिया। ए तारा na 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 tan tana. ए जाना ना 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 झंझना, चलो संध्या में उभा थाओ. ए जाना ना 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 झंझना. जी 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 हा. जाना ना 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 झंझना तो झांझर बाजे रे आ. ना 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 टन टना तो ढोली ना भागे. ए जाना ना 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 झंझना तो घुंघरू के संग आज. घुंघरी के संग संग बाजे बाजे. ए बाजे रे बाजे रे बाजे रे. ए ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के ढम 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 बाजे ढोल. छोरी बड़ी अनमोल मीठे मीठे इसके बोल, आंखें इसकी गोल 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 गोल, तो ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के ढम 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 बाजे ढोल. रात की रानी जैसे रूप मेरा, मैं कैसा सा 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 सोनी मुझे चुना मुझे मैं कैसा सा सा पासा जो मेरी रानी करुणा अरे रे 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 के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल. This is what we say in answer to life. All the challenges may come and go. We dance through life, we sing through life. That's what we say to life. Bring it on, bring it on. We will dance, we will sing, we will have fun and live in joy, live in truth, live in love, live with compassion, live the way you are, live in space. के ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल के
Such a huge ice cream.
ये ढोल. हाँ.
Shabash.
All right. Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you, Sanjeev Taro Dhol Waje.
Thank you,
The
thank you.
public nache. Thank you, Re.
You are welcome, welcome, welcome,
સરસ
everybody.
મજા આવી.
Great, wonderful. So thank you
બાકી
for
ગુજરાતી
bringing
તો
in. Huh?
વોક ના કરી શકે પણ ગરબા કરી શકે.
Ha, બરાબર છે.
વોક
Yes.
ના કરી શકે.
Yeah. The legs, yeah. Walk ma problem થાય, but dance ma no problem.
ડાન્સમાં તો થાકે જ નહીં ગુજરાત.
Correct. Cannot walk or run, but you can dance. Yeah, that is the beauty of dance. That is the beauty of music.
ગરબા
And
that
it
is the
is-
good way to
This is what we say to life. Dancing. through
Enjoyment.
life. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So this is great wave. Thank you for kicking off Navratri, the 9 days. Let these 9 days of dance and music be a
ચલો તું
message.
9 days અમને ડાન્સ કરાવજે.
This music, let it last not just 9 days, but not 90, not 900, forever. Let this music always be in your mind, in your hearts, and let this music be our response. यूं ही चला चल राही, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया, भूल सारे झमेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया, रूम तुम ताना ना रू तुम ता. You heard that song from Swadesh. If you haven't heard, listen to it again.
It is
હવે હવે
it is the
શનિવારે બધા
response to
દાંડિયા
life.
લઈશું.
Shanivare Dandiya, okay, why not?
બધાને કે જે દાંડિયા હાથમાં રાખે.
Okay, okay, bring
We will play
Dandiya.
દાંડિયા.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Great. Anything anyone wants to share before we close?
Thank you for wonderful answer.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, this was a revelation that came.
Got the solution.
Got the solution. Yes, this is it. This is it.
અને
एक मैंने
एक बार
play
संजीव,
देखा था called Lady Windermere's Fan, and the whole play was about this woman and all her struggles and trials and tribulations with all the different men in her life, whether it was her brother, her business partner, her father, her husband, her lover before and lover after, and every man in her life, young and old, that she had so many issues, different struggles. And the whole play was about that. At the end of the play, in the last scene in the play, none of the problems are resolved, none of the issues are really addressed. In the last scene in the play, it is just a ballroom dance. In which she dances with each one of them. And that was the most moving scene in the whole play. No answers were given, no solutions were there. But yet, with each of one of them, her brother, her boyfriend, her lover, her husband, her father, her son, she just dances. With each one.
I would like to add,
Yes,
my boss used to say, life is full of problems. Go on solving the problem. Problems should be there. You will be solved once. So enjoy the solving the problems.
right. In fact, dance with the problems. Dance with the problem called your boss. Dance with the problem called your husband or your brother or your son. Dance with each of those problems. Don't just solve them. So we are taking it one step further.
Yes, right.
Wonderful.
સંજીવ એક વાર તું છે ને ગરબા ગવડાવજે, એક લાઈન તું ગાઈ અમે રિપીટ કરીએ તાલી
Yeah,
પાડીને
we can
બેટા
do
બેટા.
that. Yeah, we can do
એટલે
that.
બધાને મજા આવે ગાવાની પણ.
Sure. Zoom માં કેવી રીતે coordinate થશે, we'll see. But anyway, sure.
હા પણ એમ નહીં, તું પહેલી લાઈન બોલ, અમે પછી એટલે પાછી રિપીટ કરીએ, જેમ આપણે ગરબા ગાતી વખતે એક જણ ગાતું હોય ને બાકી બધા ઝીલે જે કે ને એ રીતે.
Right. Sure, we can do that. Wonderful. Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Hari
Namaste
Om.
everyone.
Tat Sat.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Happy Navratri to everyone.
Happy Navratri. Wonderful. Let this be a 9 days of
So selfie.
introspection, of love, of joy, of dancing through life. The challenges will always be there, but our response in terms of music, dance is the best response that we can give
Bye.
as us. Yes, Sonalji, what are you saying?
Selfie.
A selfie. You want to take a selfie, is it? Okay, chalo, selfie.
You always say na selfie lene ka.
Yes, why not? Let's do
I
that.
reminded
Let's change the view to gallery view. I don't know. Let me see. No, not that one. Okay. How does one do that? View, yeah, here I think. View. Gallery view. Yes, now we are in gallery view. Okay. Videos on, and let's take the selfie. You can all post your hearts, post the heart. Where is that thing? Reaction. Go to reaction, post a heart. And once we have enough hearts, we take a selfie. Okay, taken the selfie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Love you all. Be in joy.
Thank you.
Bye.